just drive it. Today we are putting this new radiator into my 1967 Coronet.
Alright, one of the first things we're going to do, since this thing doesn't have any bolts in it, it hasn't had any for a little while, we're going to go through and run it through it with a tap. Ian's going to come over here and help me with it. But basically we're going to chase the threads. There's been a little bit of paint, as you can see. There's some buildup and gunk. So I'll let Ian get in here and take these suckers out. Looks like there's actually one still here that we're going to have to take out, but he's going to have to clean out these 3 holes. How about it? Okay. One of the other things that we did going into this, not knowing if we had all the different fasteners, is I went through and bought new fasteners for this thing. That way we know we have good fasteners, etc. Hopefully this will all go in real nice and easy. Alright, Ian, you want to... Got it? Remember your notch over there first before you do this side. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now here's your screw. Start on that other side. You see the spot for the screw? Yeah. Just try to get that sucker in there right there. Just get it started. Now let's see about that one started. You want to, well, I'll go ahead and get it. It's a little bit longer reach than you do. You have to start doing those yourself though soon. And I dropped it, of course. Okay. You're gonna want to lift up just a little bit. And this. Okay, now that they've all started, let's go ahead and get you with the, as I got myself caught. I believe this is going to be the right one. Yep. Here's your extension. Let's ratchet. Put it on. Okay, well, we've got this radiator in. I actually like this one a lot better than the one I actually just put in the 67 Fastback. The tank looks more like an original. The fit, I can't complain about the fit. If y'all saw my video on the 67 Fastback, that thing was in there 4 or 5 times, in and out, trying to get everything set into place. This thing, it fell right into place. But what do you think, Ian?
I really like it.
So, you think we're going to get this thing ready soon?
Yeah.
Alright. This thing already runs. Now it's to get it driving. We are going to go through and hook up radiator hoses here pretty quick and a few other things, but we got to make a parts store run. But that's it for today.